Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. So today I'm going back to basics and I'm going to do flip cup on this long 12 by 36 inch canvas. And as you can see, I have mixed all these vibrant colors so I can have a very nice and beautiful bright colored canvas. So today I am going for probably 7 or 8 cups. By the way, I have mixed my colors with Liquitex pouring medium, and each cup has about 2 drops of silicone. Only 2 colors that I have not added any silicone is black or white because I'm going to use them as my base coat. So I'm thinking I am going to pour white base coat on 4 of the cups, and I will use black base coat on other 4 cups. So as I fast forward a little bit so it's faster on you, you just sit back and enjoy. So as you can see, at this point I have covered my canvas with paints, and I am pretty happy with the way the lines are lining up. Now at this point I will use my torch to initiate cell growth in specific spots. So you'll see, once I start using my torch in specific spots, cells starts to grow. I don't want to do it everywhere because the whole canvas will be more too much busy, which I don't want to do. So you can see that I'm just torching in specific spots, and the places that I have torched, it started to develop cells. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time.